Hey guys, so I'm doing something new in my videos, and now every single day I'm going to be reading my horoscope before I get onto the Animal Jam stuff in my videos, because I love horoscopes and star signs and stuff like that, and I am a Taurus. I'm born on May 12th, and I was also thinking that to include the Sparkle fam, I am going to be reading some of your horoscopes. So if you comment your birthday down below, comment your sign down below, then the most comments that I get of the same sign, I'm going to read that sign's horoscope along with mine. Obviously, since I just came out with it, this is a new idea. We're only reading mine because, yeah. And I know that we're not going to get a lot of comments right away, but I feel like I will receive comments in the future, but at first I'm probably not going to get a lot because I only have 14 subs at the moment, so I know that's not a lot. But the 15 sub spike giveaway still stands, so if you want to get that spike, just, subscribe, and it will make me so happy, so happy, and yeah, I hope you go ahead and click that red button that says subscribe on it, and if you don't want to, that's okay. If you don't like my videos, you don't have to subscribe or even watch them, so just kindly leave if you don't like watching my videos. So thank you for that. And I also have another idea, but I'm going to save that for when we get into the Animal Jam. Now let's read this horoscope. Okay. January 15th, 2018, that's the date today, so that's it. Okay. Some projects requiring a lot of thought, which you may have been working on for a long time, could well be completed today. Your efforts are definitely going to be appreciated by those who matter. Taurus, you might even receive public acknowledgement of some kind. A rise in income could be just over the horizon. You've worked hard to be where you are and can't be blamed if you give yourself a pat on the back. Go to it. Okay, so yeah, so that's my horoscope for the day, and now let's get on to this Animal Jam stuff. Okay, so basically, to include you guys and the Sparkle fam a little bit more, sorry about background noise, my guinea pigs are being loud, to include you guys in the Sparkle fam a little bit more, I've decided to be doing shoutouts. So, the first comment on the video gets a shout out, so turn on your notifications because you might get a shout out in the video, and you can choose if you want to have the shout out be of your Animal Jam username or of your YouTube username, because I can do either, whichever you would like. So just comment that in the comment that you put down below. You should write you should write, okay, so first of all, you do have to be subscribed if you want to get the shout out and have your notifications on. So you should write in the thing, I have my notifications on, here's my username that I would like you to put in a shout out. So yeah, and tell me where it's from. Tell me if it's for Animal Jam, if that's your Animal Jam username, or if it's like a username on something else, like YouTube or something like that, because I will gladly read your username if you're the first comment on my video. So go ahead and do that, subscribe, and hit the notifications button if you want to get a shout out, and if you want to try and get a shout out in the next video. Now, or in this video, but like your shout out will be in the next video. Okay, so that is like the update that I have for you guys today, and I just would also love to take some of your guys' ideas and include them in my videos to, again, include you in the Sparkle Flame a little bit more, because I haven't really been doing that. I've just been going on and like filming on AJ and then logging off and not really doing much. But now I'd like to actually include you guys in some of the videos. I mean, obviously not include you, but include your ideas. So if you have an idea that you think could improve my videos, feel free to comment that down below, and I'll be very, very happy if you do, and I'm going to be happy no matter what, and the 15 subscribe giveaway still stands, so go ahead and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I might have already said that in this video, so sorry if I did that. But yeah, so that is just my little update for the day, and I hope that you do enjoy the videos and you want to continue watching, because that would mean so much to me. Now, I do hope that more people enjoy these videos and figure out about this channel than how many people are already watching, because it's only 14 people. I mean, I'm not like the type of person who's going to be sad if no one watches them, because I make them really for my own purpose, but I just want to bring a smile to all of your guys' faces, as many people as possible. I would love to bring a smile to, and yeah, so tell your friends and they can come by, and hopefully they'll get a good smile or laugh from one of these videos, and hopefully they'll enjoy it as much as I enjoy making them. Thank you all for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and comment down below your ideas for my channel and your star sign. So you can comment down below your ideas for the video, your star sign, and you can comment down like the notifications saying, so if you're the first comment, you will get a shout out in my next video. So comment down your username that you would like me to read in the next video. And yeah, sorry, my videos have been like really scattered. I'm gonna try and get a set time that I will film and upload, but I don't really know if I have that much time. But I'm gonna try and make it Saturday or any time that I really have free. But yeah, so that is all for today's video. Bye!